right, good morning. We are moved into another one already. Day after breaking down from the home show. We got Peerless here making deliveries. Things are getting ready to get busy. This is one of our repeat customers and some great people and some of our favorites, honestly. They've turned out to be friends. This is the one we built the pool at, so now what we're going to be doing is building a seating wall, the entire length of that front wall. A couple of nice columns, some lights. Things are going to wind up beautiful. Wall is complete. Columns are complete. We still got to cap everything. All the lighting is roughed in. We have to come back and get all that wired up and then do our caps, column caps, and a little bit of cleaning. We also had to fix a little bit of patio over there while we were here. It's going to really make this space nice. Add a lot of seating too whenever they need it, and functionality with the lights. So, got things cleaned up and buttoned up on our path, and here's what they got. So as you can see, we got seating wall now the entire length, lights on the outside and on the inside, columns they're lit clear around. Really makes it look sharp, and it's going to function really well for them, because now when they're having their pool parties, they got plenty of places to sit. They can throw some cushions out there. And then at night, stairwell will be lit up real well, paths will be lit up real well inside and out. So it'll be a big improvement for them. You want something beautiful like this? Check us out, riverscapeswv.com. Stay tuned for the next one.